Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to be doing an unboxing of some nail art supplies. Well, not really an unboxing because this is not a box, but I don't know what I mean. So yeah, let's get into this. I bought these nail art supplies off of AliExpress.com, so we're going to check it out and see what I got. If you're new here, my name is Shimeen and on this channel I do everything nails and nails related. So if you like nail videos or anything nail related, just go ahead and subscribe to this channel so you could keep up with all of my nail videos. One thing I really liked about this packaging is how compact it was. Everything was put together nicely into one single package. So the first set of items I bought was some nail art decorations in the form of rhinestones. Up until this point I've only had the AB crystal color rhinestones, so I was happy to get the multicolor one. So I got 6 different colors, and that will give me more options when I'm making press-on sets to my clients, so I have more styles and colors to offer them. So these are really nice and they're pretty high quality. If you notice my nails in this video, they are from the video where I did gel polish on my natural nails with this purple polish, and that tells you how long I've had this unboxing editing to do. I've only now got around to doing it though. So yeah. Next up, I bought these sequins, and they are in the form of letters and numbers, and I thought they would come in handy if somebody wanted to do some encapsulated letters or if they wanted their name or something done on a nail art set. Next up, we have these foils, and now I have nail foils but mostly in gold, so I wanted some other colors to have some variety and to have some options. So you see we have purple, green and pink, even black foil as options, so we could do on our nail art designs. And to top it off, they're just the perfect sizing. Next, I have this stamping plate that I got in the old English letter format. I'm not very good at nail art, so if I could do it as like stamping nail art, then that takes a lot of work off of my shoulders. So I will definitely be trying this out if somebody wants nail art done like that. Then I got these nail art decorations, gold with some, I don't know exactly what it is, but I just thought it really looked nice, and I think I paid $2 for 10. Then I have these 3D flowers in 6 different colors, and I haven't tried these as yet, but it was trending at a point in time. I don't know if it's still trending, but I would definitely like to try them because for the life of me I cannot make 3D flowers with acrylic, no matter how hard I try. Yeah, so I'm glad that, you know, people coming up with ways to make doing nail art a lot easier. Now we're moving on to this entire box of gold nail art charms, and I was really happy for this. I think I paid $5 for 28 pieces, or for 28 different sets of gold nail art. And so let's just open this up. And when I opened it, I saw the variety of designs it included. For example, we had stars in different shapes, small stars and big stars. We had the moons, small moons, big moons. Then we had shells. We also had some palm trees, leaves, flowers, mini seashells, big seashells. We had some seahorses and even snails. So we have all of those options in this gold nail art accessories package here. I believe I paid close to $5 for this entire set, so I think you get a lot of value for that $5, and these accessories are going to last you for a really long time. I'm actually thinking I will use use some of them by encapsulating them, like using some of the palm trees and the seashells and the seahorse, maybe to do like an under the sea theme nail art set. Let me know what you think about that. Should I do a set encapsulating these gold accessories? Let me know. So I was really just going through all of these accessories to see what came, and I was just admiring them, which is why I think I spent a little extra time checking them out to see what I got, and I was just visualizing in my head what I wanted to do with these. So now we're going to move on to the next item, which is another 28-piece set. This 28-piece set is not all gold. They have more random nail art accessories. So let's open it up and see what came in this one. From the outside, I'm seeing some more gold accessories, which I'm not complaining about because I mean you can't have too much gold. And then I'm seeing caviar beads also in gold and silver. And let's just get this opened up. Now this was really stiff to open, so just be careful. You don't want everything flying all over the place. They are secured pretty tightly. and I was just opening up these nail art shards or these stone shards to see if they were solid, and they're pretty solid, so that means I have to encapsulate them. These rhinestones I was trying here, they aren't flat back, so you have to figure out some way to use it. And this set will come in really handy, especially if you have clients that like you to do freestyle nails. So you have some options here if you have to do a set where you could do anything you want for your client. These pink shards are really soft, and then some of these rhinestones, some of them are flat back, some of them are not, but nonetheless all of them are really nice. We have some clear ones here mixed with some blue, and you know, it just makes you think about all the possibilities you could do with these accessories. So that's basically what I do when I get these packages. I go through them, and sometimes I open them to check the texture and to see or think about how I would use them in a set. And now we have some nail art foil transfers. For some weird reason I cannot stop buying these, even though I have an entire box of foil transfers that hasn't been touched yet, but I just can't help myself. And I actually used one of these foils already, the full cover flowered one. This is the picture here of how it came out. And then the next thing I got was some dual forms, but these ones are shaped better. Most persons are accustomed to dual forms looking like this, but I decided to buy these ones that had a little more structure and they looked more like a nail. The other ones weren't formed properly and they would have the nail looking very wonky, and you had to do a lot of filing in order to shape the nail properly. But when you open up this case, you would see that these forms are like basically trying to give it like square nails. They have a nice curve at the bottom and they fit the nails properly from sidewall to sidewall. So I can't wait to try these out when I am ready to start back using polygel to make nail art sets. I don't think I have a polygel video up on this channel as yet, so definitely look out for that, and I'll show you how I use these dual forms. Next up, let's see what we have. We have some nail art water decals, and these are some butterflies and flowers, and I got 30 sheets in this entire pack. This is really good value for money. So I was just going through them, and it's good to have these. I use them interchangeably. Sometimes I use either water decals or sometimes I use foil transfers. Both work pretty well. Basically, you cut out the butterfly or that you want to use, you remove the protective film, you dip it in water for 20 seconds, and then you take a tweezer and you pull off the butterfly and you put it anywhere on the nails that you would like to put it. So I was just checking out the different variety of butterflies that I had, and I was really satisfied with these. I took some pictures of them and I can't wait to make sets. Then I had another set of water decals, and this one included some more flowers because I realized I have a lot of butterflies but I do not have a lot of flowers, and this of course saves you from trying to draw an entire flower when you could just use water decals. There were also 30 in this pack, and we had a variety of different flowers, some even in black and white. Then you saw some shells, tulips, and then we even had some full cover flower transfers that I would really like to try, especially as water decals. So something I look forward to using. And we have all of these options here for nail art. The possibilities are endless. Next, we have some more rhinestones, some multicolor rhinestones. I just decided to buy some extra ones, mostly for use on press-on nail sets, and I have actually used it from this pack before, and I made this set, something really simple with some rhinestones at the cuticle area. And when I opened these rhinestones and I checked them out, I realized that even though these were cheap, like $3 or so, the quality was pretty good for $3, and they're really nice and shiny. So that was basically it for all of the nail art supplies that I got off of AliExpress. And as I said, for this entire order I paid $50. Make sure to watch the end to see the screen record I did of the items that I bought. So we're just going over them here again. And as I said before, I can't wait to use these, so look out for me using these accessories in my upcoming videos. Be sure to subscribe to this channel if you aren't already, so you can keep up with my nail videos. And feel free to drop your suggestions in the comments as to some of the nail art sets I can make with these. So this here is a breakdown of all the prices I paid for all of the items. And at the end, I'm going to show you the price of everything. So just keep watching to the end. In the meantime, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. And the nail art store is the 123 nail art store. I'll make sure and put all the information in the description down below for you all. Alright, thanks for watching again. Bye.